everyone, welcome to Next IAS. In this edition, we will discuss some of the places which were recently in news and also relevant for the UPSC. Our first place is Lithuania. It was in the news because India and Lithuania have discussed the maritime relations. If we talk about the key facts, the capital of the Lithuania is Vilnius. Lithuania is a country in the Baltic region of the Europe. It is one of the three Baltic states and lies on the eastern shore of the Baltic Sea. In the north of the Lithuania, there is Latvia. In the east and south, there is Belarus. In the south, there is Poland, and in the southwest, there is Russia. It also shares a maritime border with Sweden to the west of the Baltic Sea. If we talk about the history, in 1990, Lithuania passed the Act of the Re-establishment of the State of Lithuania. Lithuania is the first Soviet republic to proclaim its independence from the USSR. So let's discuss the significant features of the Lithuania. Lithuania is a developed country with a high-income advanced economy, ranking very high in the Human Development Index. If we talk about the geographical features, Lithuania lies at the edge of the North European plain. The country's main and largest river, the Nemunas River, and some of its tributaries carry international shipping. The highest point of the Lithuania is Okstrois Hill at 294 meters in the eastern part of the country. The terrain feature of the country has numerous lakes and wetlands. The largest lake of the Lithuania is Drūksai, the deepest lake is Tauragnas, and the longest lake is Elzvisa. So now, our next place is Peru. Peru was in news because it has lost more than half of its glacier surface in the past 6 decades. The capital of the Peru is Lima. It is the third largest country in the South America with 2,400 km long coastline in the South Pacific Ocean. It is bordered by Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, and the Ecuador. If we talk about the geographical features, Peru is a tropical country with its northern tip nearly touching the equator. Peru extends along the Andes, the world's longest exposed mountain range. The highest peak of the country is Mount Vascaron. The major rivers are the Amazon, Purus, and Zurua. Lake Titicaca is a large freshwater lake in the Andes mountain on the border of Bolivia and Peru. It is often called the highest navigable lake in the world. The cold Peru Current or Humboldt Current flows along its Pacific shoreline. So, our next location is DEEPOR BEEL. It was in news because the Assam government is exploring the aquatic festivals and tourist-related activities at DEEPOR BEEL. Now let's discuss about the DEEPOR BEEL. It is a permanent freshwater lake located in the Brahmaputra Valley of Lower Assam, and it is one of the important bird area sites by BirdLife International. It was designated a Ramsar site in 2002 for sustaining a range of aquatic life forms besides 219 species of birds. Now what is Ramsar site? A Ramsar site is a wetland designated to be of international importance under the Convention on Wetlands held at the Iranian city of Ramsar in February 1971. Our next and last place is Bandipur Tiger Reserve. It was in news because recently National Tiger Conservation Authority has suggested the Karnataka state to avoid conducting the fest around the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. If we talk about the Bandipur Tiger Reserve, it was established in the 1930s as a wildlife sanctuary which became a tiger reserve in 1973 under Project Tiger. The tiger reserve is located in Western Ghat at the tri-junction area of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. This area has the river Kabini in its north and river Moyar in its south. It lies in one of the richest biodiversity area of the country. It is surrounded by Mudumalai Tiger Reserve in the south and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary in the southwest, and the Kabini Reservoir separates the Bandipur and Nagarhole Tiger Reserve on the northwest. So, with this, we are going to end our discussion. I hope you like this video. For more updates on current affairs, you can follow us on our social media platforms. Thank you.